Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a boost converter. Basically a boost converter looks like this in the above circuit. Here we have an inductor, and also the other side we also have the battery. So as you see, the setup looks like this. Here is the battery, an inductor and a switch. We also have this side the load. So here the circuit looks like this above. This is the best circuit, and here we have the circuit which has a MOSFET which will help us in the high side switching. So if current starts to flow from this side like this, it continues to the other end and finds the inductor. As you know, the current through inductor does not rise immediately, so it starts to rise slowly as the magnetic field builds up. And so here, when it finds the MOSFET closed, current is pushed downwards to the ground, and when the MOSFET opens, current is pushed to the other end, just like that, because the magnetic fields of the inductor try to push much more current than the power supply to the other side. Here the capacitor stores the charges and delivers it to the load. So here the diode prevents the current flow from the other end. As you can see, the current flows. So here we have the 5-5 timer, which will help us in the high side switching. The 5-5 timer will produce a square wave which will be supplied to the MOSFET. So the MOSFET will be switching on and off as the current flows through the diode to the capacitor and then to the load. So here basically we have created it. So here I set it up my circuit. I measured the voltage of the battery which I'm going to use. It was 7.7 volts. So I started to connect it. So here I connected one pin to positive and the other pin to the negative, which is also called the ground. So as you can see, immediately I connect the circuit, it starts to work. As you can see here, this is 16.23 volts. This means the voltage has been boosted up, but in my previous circuit I managed to reach about 30 volts with the 9 volts power supply. So as you can see, if you see the waveform here, you can see that the waveform. So I tried also to measure the waveform through the 5-5 timer. I removed this pin which is connecting to the gate of the MOSFET. I tried to measure the output waveform, and of course it is a square wave. As you can see, it was producing a square wave of much on time, as you can see. But the problem of this circuit, as you can see, it does not have any feedback. So here the problem will arise when we change the load. The output voltage will not be stable. So this circuit does not need to be created on a piece of power board. If you found this video educative, you can consider subscribing for my channel for more future videos. Thank you.